This video gonna show you how to use Yanhua Solderless Adapter. Use power cables, connect Digimaster 3 and the Yanhua Solderless Adapter. Then use trip, clip, or punch hole key. Connect the trips and the Yanhua Solderless Adapter. The red line needs to match pin 1 of the trip. Select the corresponding trips model through Choose on the adapter. My dashboard computer is from 2009 Volkswagen Polo, and the trip number is 24C32, so I'm gonna choose 24XXX. Then press Test the pin detection. If pin detection fails, adjust the trip clip and press Test again. When past the pin detection, connect the adapter and the Digimaster 3. Choose middle system. Choose Europe, Volkswagen, Aura, 1AG920826. Then choose 2009 and Next. Check the original mileage. Press Yes, then save the original date. Now we can program new mileage. Choose OK. Program new date succeeds. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is useful to you.